Now we are heading towards Kawa's house. Alright. For her engagement, early in the morning, Shabu as usual on time, on dot. The time given was 7:30. We are almost there at 8:15. And the delay was
purely
from
because
Shabu.
Niaz went into the loo first.
Hey.
He got up at 7:05 and he went into the loo and came out at 7:35.
No,
And then I went in at 7:35 and came out at 5 minutes to 8. So who was faster? Of course me.
Shabu trying to give justification for this. Please do not go with his words.
That's the scenery, you know.
That is what Shabu is showing, sincerity.
See, the scenery is around, and we'll also show you where Kawa is getting engaged. It's a small little hillock on which there's a resort called Porcupine.
Porcupine
And
Castle.
It'll come somewhere there in the vicinity, in just a little bit.
There somewhere.
But this is the approach to the country house.
Country house. To the country house.
That we also kind of had types. Now it's gone. Now there's no country house.
There's no country house.
Only country all around us.
Only country people around us.
Check it out. Check out the scenery.
Scenery can't be checked out because there are a lot of sun rays directly hitting on the car bonnet, and then bonnet is reflecting straight into the cameras. It's very difficult.
Check for a minute. If it's a minute and a half, stop it. And
It is already a minute and a half.
So we'll
How do we stop it?
Let's play again.
Play again. We repeat it. The final approach to Kawas. The
last bit of
Kawas. The Kawas is going to be soon on the screens of your monitors, and you people all enjoys the movie.
And where is the porcupines?
The
Not to be seen.
porcupines is
there
right
on the left.
there on the left. I have to zoom. In zoomings, I don't know this one.
Yes, that button.
There you see the porcupine.
That is the hillock. On top of that, in between those trees, is the porcupine fellow.
Yes, the porcupine castle.
And there in front of us is the house.
A lot of bumps here. Okay, we come back to the normal. See,
And just
screen.
right, and that's Kawa's house.
That is Kawa's house where you see.
Beautiful. Very beautiful comebacks.
And a very beautiful bird.
Very beautiful birds here, which is blue in color. I don't know which one it is. Zooms.
And you see the very beautiful bird.
A nice pond.
And a very nice, beautiful
We
pond.
tried fishing in this pond or the other pond?
We fished in both the ponds.
Both the ponds. The bird is nice, no?
Yes, the colors is nice, but you can barely see it in this camera.
It's a kingfisher.
Sorry for this, it is a kingfisher in blue.
Kingfishers are blue.
Kingfishers are multicolors.
Yeah, but blue is primary. Oh, that went away.
It flew away.
So we go back to the focus of
So we
Kawa's
go
house.
back to Kawa's place.
That's the hedge around the house.
The hedge around the house. Yes, there you see, kind of clear now because of the sun's rays not hitting the bonnets and reflecting on the camera. On the one and only camera.
That
For
we
this-
never take on the right occasions, but for once.
For once we are taking it, and for once I am shooting
Using.
for all you know. Niaz is the cameraman. And this is Kawa's place, the hedge. You have
Vanilla trees
Decent.
just after the hedge.
yes.
And some flowers.
Okay, flowers also. It's come on your screen and gone.
And there's nobody making any peep from the house, so I'm wondering
Yes.
if we are late. So
And
late
also-
that they've already gone to the...
Yes, I guess so too. And dogs are also not barking. 2 minutes already over. Bye bye.
Oh, so...
Shabu, don't take pictures. Close up there.
Why funny? You ironed your hair recently.
Video. Please, Shabu.
Pragati, say hi.
Hi.
Pucha, say hi. Say hi. Come on.
No,
Say it.
don't
Big
say.
day.
Say bye.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Great.
Bye.
Kawa is your boji, yeah?
No, Kavali. Chikama, no, eh?
Chikama's engagement today. So look at Chikama's hair ironed and all.
Oh, all ironed. All silky bar. Slept well.
Oh, like logs.
You all had blankets and all that?
Yes.
Allah.
This is where Kawa got engaged. Porcupine Resorts. On top of the rocks. Scenery is like wow. You guys never take photos of me. I have to do everything on my own.
Good.
Who are you?
Yeah.
Good, good.
God, good. You take photos only of yourself.
Take
Come
only
here, Shabu, come here.
Oh boy.
Come here, left, fast.
Hey, these boys are crazy.
Dayanand. Which car is it driving?
They took so many cars. They went to get more booze. They drank
From
through.
where?
They were through.
There's so much there.
They drank everything. And here we go.
Finished my red labels there.
Everything they finished.
Who?
Let's go and the boys.
What? They're drinking so
Yeah,
much.
they took the bottle only to the table.
Yeah, they went and brought some more bottles.
So,
By the
some
way.
more? Red
Bot-
labels.
Yeah, not red labels.
Labels,
They got RC. They changed brands.